everyone, as you can see, I am back at home in my living room again. I broke it down into the 3 stores where I did my hauls today. And the reason I did this was because I was trying to complete some IBOTTA bonus points, or bonus rewards rather, and I was trying to get my fetch bonus points that were expiring in one day. So what I did was anything that I had a coupon or CRT for, I paired it up with my fetch and I bought them. My first deal is over here on the left. The 2 Dawn, they were $4.99 each. The 2 Baby Ruth were buy one get one half off, $139.70. And the 1 by Poise is $7.29 in my store. I paired that up with a $3 1 by Poise from $8.29 Smart Source, and I had a CRT $2 off my next $12 purchase. It brought everything down to $14.35. IBOTTA issued me $7.99 for the Dawn and for the 1 by Poise, $4.99 for 1 Dawn and $3 for the Poise. I completed a Poise bonus and got $1 for it. Then I got $5 for completing the pumpkin bonus, and I got 60 cents for the candy, 25 cents for each Baby Ruth and 10 cents any candy, bringing my grand total to $14.59. These items here. So I paid $14.35 out of pocket. I got $14.59 back from IBOTTA, and I got 85 points from Fetch. And 13 of those points were for the bonus scan on the 1 by Poise. Next is the Cottonelle, the Scott, and the 2 Kleenex. So the Cottonelle this week is $10.49. Each Kleenex is regular price at $2.79. They're the 3 packs with 30 in each one. And then the Scott 1012 rolls is $12.49. So I had a $1 digital for the Scott, a $1 digital for the Cottonelle, a 4 off of 12 Scott paper towels or toilet tissue, and I had a 3 off of 10 Cottonelle. Then I had a 2 off of 5 any Kleenex, and then I used 22 cents from the 2% rewards we get back, bringing my out of pocket to $17.34. Then when I submitted it to Fetch, I got 1,000 points for the Cottonelle, and then I'm working on a bonus for the Kleenex. So I haven't completed that yet. So Fetch gave me 1,345 points. On my last little deal right here. So I've never tried the 7th generation dish detergent, and I've always wanted to try it. So I had a CRT and I went ahead and took advantage of it, and Fetch gives you points back for it. At least I got points back. So the Airwick 2-pack of the oil refills, in my store, they are $7.59. This week, they are buy one, get one half off. So my essential oil mist refill was $3.80. The dish soap was $3.99. So what I had was an internet printable for the refills. And then I had a digital $1.50 for the essential mist refill. And then I had a CRT 2 off of 5. And then I had $1 off, $3.49 for the dish detergent. Then I used 64 cents from the 2% rewards, bringing my out of pocket to $9.58. I then submitted my receipt to IBOTTA, and I got $1 back for the oil refills, not the essential mist. It specifically says any oil refills. Then I got 1,500 points from Fetch for the essential oils refill. And then I got points back for all of the items. So my total points from Fetch was 1,691. While I was in CVS, I went ahead and opened up Shopkicks and I got 10 points just for walking in the store. So that is everything that I have for you today. Go ahead and I would say run on the Dawn dish detergent. To me, that's a run deal because you never see any deals on those. You hardly ever get coupons for them. I like it. I know others that like it too. So again, that's all I have for you tonight. Those were my CVS hauls for tonight. I have a 10 off of 50 that I need to use by the 24th. So look out for a video for that. And I guess that's it. You all have a great day, great evening, great afternoon, whenever you're watching this video. And see you next time. Bye.